Put your fingers on the pulse of knowledge at StudyBee.
Section B. Atomic and molecular weights.
Of all the elements, hydrogen has the smallest mass and the simplest structure. A hydrogen atom consists of two electrically charged particles, the proton, which has a positive charge, and the electron, which has a negative charge. As small as it is, the hydrogen atom has measurable mass. 99.9% of the mass of each atom is contained in the nucleus of the atom, where the protons are. Because as small as protons are, an electron's mass is much, much smaller.
Hydrogen is the first and simplest element in the periodic table. The second element, helium, and all other atoms except hydrogen have another type of particle in the nucleus. The other particle is called a neutron because it's neutral, like Switzerland. It has no charge.
Put your fingers on the pulse of knowledge at StudyBee. Get the answers you need when you need them.